Can you able to see my screen?
अरे हाँ ना बाबा, क्यों मर रही है?
Yes. Okay. तुला झोपायचं तर इथे झोप नाही तर तिकडे झोप. म्हणजे 2:30 वाजेपर्यंत 3:30 पर्यंत प्रॅक्टिकल सकाळीच करायला पाहिजे ना. मग उचल तर जरा 5 मिनिट लेट होऊ दे मला म्हणजे लेट आहे ते 5 मिनिट मग ते देतो आमचं नाही. चांगली गाड्या वगैरे आहेत चालू नाही केली. आगाई बसायचं झोपायचं थोडी आहे प्रॅक्टिकल आहे. तुम्ही तिकडे गेले तर चालेल. जरा सांगून नाही शकत 10 मिनिट हो. खिडकी बंद करावी लागेल आवाज येतोय. क्लास नाही I will start practical now. Can you able to hear me properly? Okay. So it is a मैडम रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा है किया किया मैंने ऊपर भी किया हाँ नहीं हुआ वहां से भी किया वहां से एक मिनट मैं गो टू मीटिंग के यहाँ पर हूँ लेफ्ट साइड हाँ और वहां पर है ना हाँ तो वो क्लिक कर रही हूँ स्टार्ट हाँ हाँ यस यस हाँ अभी हुआ मैं हाँ हाँ आ गया मैंने ये नहीं हुआ था ठीक है चालू हो गया हाँ थैंक यू सॉरी सॉरी I will start my practical. Okay. Now, here our theory is over. So now we can start our practical now. See, the list of practical is provided. I will say first practical design a web page that uses makes use of document structure tabs, various text formatting tab, list tag, image and image map. Okay, these are the this is first practical we want to do, and everything we already learn. So now, see, I will explain first practical. It will contain number of files, and here you have to you can take a screenshot immediately. Later on, you have to write questions that will be asked in your Viva. Okay, so be careful. That question also I will specify now. Just wait for 5 minutes. See, for practical one, these are the questions. Okay, this everything is included in my practical, and from that only Viva will be asked. Okay, so actually speaking, you have to write all questions and be ready for your Viva. Okay, so now many things you will get in my notes itself. Okay, so for my first practical, you can see my screen properly. Yes, okay. Now see, first line is a message command. You can say my program start with HTML. It contains head section. Head section contains title. So practical title I gave as a practical number one. So this is about head tag. Now body will start to end. That is the end of the body tag. Okay, this you already know. Now, next one, sender. This message, programming, practical one, design a web page that makes use of this many things. That is my home page. Okay, I want that it should be at center. So that's why I use center tag. Okay, see so many tags I am using. Okay, uh, so I can ask you in your exam how many tags you are using, what is use of each tag, what is purpose of a center tag. Okay, now center, it can be left, right, or center. Sorry, alignment. Alignment can be left, right, or center. So I want at center. So I will write center. Okay. Now next one. This is a message. What I am going to do. Document structure, various text formatting, and so on. Now here center part is over. Now see, it is a home page. Here. Now A H reference dot. This is my file. Practical one dot HTML is a file. Here. And that file I want to link to practical one home page. Okay. You are getting what I'm saying? See, my first practical will contain number of files, correct? See here, it contains many things, document part, uh, various formattings, then list, images, map. So for all, I created separate file so that you can understand it in better manner. So now all three I want to link. I think only one I link at this point. So now my home page will contain only this file. Just see what I when I will click here or run, what will happen. Just see. Practical. In the practical number one, practical one, here now. I want to click home page. HTML home page. Practical one home page. Practical one. Practical one home page. So this is my home page. Programming practical one web page that makes use of these things. What document structure, various formatting, list, and image and image map. Just see in my homepage itself, I'm using many tags. First is formatting. Okay. H1, H2, H1 to H6 I'm using. It is at center. Okay. Second tag I'm using. Underline, uh, strike through, formatting. This everything I am using in my home page itself. Okay. Now when I click here, it will go to next page, and in next page it will be as it is seen. And here actually what I am doing, and that I am writing here, you see, yeah, I am using bold, italic, strike through, underline, big, small, uppercase, sorry, superscript, subscript, center, heading, tag. So I'm using so many tags in this program, and I'm explaining all. Just see, I want that the formula, we know the formula, correct? So I want to write this in formula manner. So how to write? Or I will explain later on. Just see. Uh, a raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 2 equal to 0. So this is my requirement. So a raised to 3 plus b raised to 2 equal to 0. If I want to write like this, so how to do it? For that purpose, I have one code. I use that code. Practical one. Here, it is a practical number one. 1 second. Sorry. Now see design uh, this. Now I want output of this. Okay. So formula I want to apply. So how it is possible? We have superscript and subscript, correct? So I wrote like this. Formula is like this, and its answer is C. A superscript. So I will write SUP superscript raised to 3. So you will get a 2 raised to 3 plus B raised to 2. You have to complete tag, correct? Superscript tag complete. Here also superscript tag complete and output. That is your post. Second, I want output like this. Next output I want H2O like this I want. Okay. So if I want how to do it, so I will write here for water H2O H2O superscript and subscript. Superscript and subscript. Okay, both are clear, I think, to you. Then next one, we have next tag that is your bold, italic, underline. Okay. So while writing itself, I use particular tag. First, I want document, and that document should be underlined. Uh, so, how to do it? I use U. U means underline. Okay. So, structure tag. I want underlined. So, U and U in between the structure tag is defined. Then next one, formatting I want as I. So I wrote like this I in bracket formatting tag. Okay. Then next one C. I want it in bold. So list tag I want in bold. So I wrote B and B. Okay. Then strike through I want. So strike image, image and image map. This part I want underline. So that I did. Okay. Just see the output. See here, document, underline. Okay. Then formatting tag, italic, list tag, bold, then image tag, image and image map I want strike through. So that everything I wrote here. Okay. By writing this, I will get output like this. Okay, this output I will get. Now this two part I explain already. Now next part is big. I want that it should be big. That is paragraph tag should become big. So see paragraph big. Okay, may see. Okay. Then next one, it is a paragraph. So paragraph is already used. Then next one is small. So small, starting from uh, uh, horizontal lines are used that will be in small. Okay, here it is in small. And next one is address. Sorry, before that there is a line. So I can use HR for line. And later on, I want to display the address. So for displaying address, I use address tag. Okay, this is my one question. Only one question. This is clear to all. Actually speaking, you have to perform it. But now we don't have so much time. You have to perform if time permit now or at home, because I think six program I had to do in practical one number one. So out of that two I already explained. That is your home page, and second one is your practical formatting. Up till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now, one thing is there. You can take uh, slabs down short if you want, and you can do at home. Or I will explain all. Then it time permit, you can go on performing on screen. This two things are over. Again, I should explain anything. First part is for creating home page, and this part is for displaying the various tags. So I'm using so many tags here. Okay, in the form of some message, I try to use all tags. Some tags, all are not possible. Continue further. Here, actually speaking, we don't have sufficient time. If possible, you understand it, and you have to give viva related to that. Just see if you want to ask, if I want to ask you, you can ask how to give bold, how to make text underline, how to make a superscript. Like this question will be asked in your viva, because practical will be viva only. Okay. Actually speaking, we have to perform it, but due to problem, everyone know corona. Uh, you cannot able to do in college lab. So I'm explaining. Actually speaking, you can do right now also, but time is very less. I want to explain six program again, and later on, if time permits, we can start programming. All students have computer or a laptop, so that we can do practical. I don't think so. Okay, so I will continue further. Okay, so I will continue further. next program of this practical only. Okay, some students have, some doesn't have. So now there is no way what I can, what we can do. We cannot gather together, okay? But you should understand many things. That's all we can do. Now I will start next question. Experiment number one. Second question. You can take take if time were when we will perform. Doesn't bother about that. Um, one question is practical number one. Uh, Image map. Yeah. We should know just first image, then image map. See here, almost all I have explained in lecture. Okay, if some are not, then we can do here now. Just see, very simple program which I already explained in lecture. Image tag is there. IMG image. So I want to display the image. Okay. Now image tag. So formula is syntax is image SIC equal to path. Okay. Alternative name if you want you can give. Then alignment I said it can be center, left or right. So here I want a center. Width 300. Height is 300. Okay. This line will do only this much part. One image will be displayed. Okay. One image will be displayed in your web page. Now second one, second image, a waterfall, 100% height, 20% border, 2, and next one is image 3. Okay. So I will display you the output. Practical number 1 image. Next, practical number 1 home page. I should open the file. I forgot image. Just see image is there, correct? Image left, this side right, and below is in a waterfall. Okay. This I want to display or explain this part. That is your web page can contain images, one or number of images. So how to bring it that I explain you. Properties, all brown properties also I explain you. Image properties. Hmm. Now, next one. Start next one. Image map. If you remember, image map. Hmm. Image map. This the output first. Then you will remember image map. Same example I am taking so that you can understand it in better way also. See here, in this area, if I click, it will display the computer screen. Back, home, copy, or if anywhere nothing will happen. In particular area, if I'm clicking, you will get an output. It is clear. Anyone have any doubt? Okay, program I will explain now. Image map. Image map. Word space, word map. For this, I should specify the workplace. Okay. So it is specified here, and alternative name is workplace. Now, what I have to specify is use map. So, use map name is work map. Whatever name I am giving, that same you have to give. Here, hash work map that we have to provide. Okay. So, map name equal to work map. Okay. Now, here, I want to provide three areas. So I'm using three areas. If you want, you can add other also. So now, see here, I want to display computer, phone, and copy. So the corresponding files we have to specify. See, so in map, there are areas. So I'm dividing my space into number of areas. Just see, it is my word place, workplace, and in this workplace, there are three areas. Okay, so first is shape, shape. It is the rectangle. Its coordinates are specified here. And alternative name is computer. And its corresponding file. When user will click, then which file should be linked? That is reference. So that reference I have to give. One second. Href equal to computer dot html. Okay. The next one is second area I have to specify, that is phone. Okay. A shape is rectangle and the coordinates specified, and reference is phone.html. And the last one is h grep equal to reference coffee.html. So you can see the output when a user will click in this area, that is your shape 1 area, rectangle area, the image will be opened. If you click on phone area, another image will open, and if you click in coffee area, then coffee file will be open. This much is clear. Anyone hand out up till now? You can see the code also. You have to perform it. I will try to explain everything in fast so that you can do practical parallelly. Up till now, any doubt? Continue. Now, next one, next program. Image map. Image is over computer. Image is required. Stored, sorted list. There are three type of lists. One sorted, unsorted, and description list I'm using. So first one is your sorted list. If it is sorted list, then see this part is clear, same. Okay. Heading I'm using center. This part is I want the center. Okay. Just see output. Now I want output like this. That if it is one, then I want numbering like 1, 2, 3. If it is two, capital I, second, small I, uppercase, and lowercase. And in this coding, I did programming. Yes. By default, it is a number, correct? And I'm using sorted list. So if it is a sorted, we have to specify O. O for O for sorted list. Now in a list, I want to specify the item. So item I can specify using li. Li, tiger, elephant, lion, all three. This one is over. Second is again, see here, actually speaking, I want to display this information. But this information I want to display number of weeks. So here, first one is uppercase. First one is number. Second is I, capital I, A, small a, and so on. So that's why everything I combine together. Anyone had doubt? Continue. Continue. Okay. So program I will run so that you can understand it in better way. If something is remaining, I will explain again. Practical number 1. Sorted list. Okay. It is a sorted list. Just the heading I want in formatting proper way, center H1. Then next one, this information I want and uh, list format or normal P format tag. Then I want a line, so I use HR tag. Then by default it is number. So output you will get tiger elephant line. Okay. Then next one. Uh, Second one is I. So title you will get title tiger elephant line and format this way. That is a Roman I, capital I. The next one is small Roman I. Then next one is your next attribute is you can say A. So A, B, C you'll get. And last one is in lowercase. So we can specify all attribute in one program itself. Okay, and the same I did here. For sorted list, if I want to provide attribute, how to provide the attribute that I am trying to explain. Anyone had doubt in this? Any doubt? Explain the program again. Just see this is the program and I want output in OL, that is a sorted list. I want to display the sorted list. So if it is sorted list and I want to apply the attribute, how to apply and what will be the output. So that everything is specified here. Anyone hand out? Continue. The next one. It is a sorted. Now I want unsorted. Unsorted list. Unsorted list or only list. List. Practical one list. See here, everything is same. Only thing is instead of O, it will be U because it is an unsorted list. Okay? Unsorted list. Now, if it is unsorted, then its attributes are different. Here, by default, it is the type is this square or circle. So attribute will be different and your tag is different, other thing will be as it is. Okay. Data I can give anything. I can give here also title and same. Just see program and sorted. I want practical. List. List. Just see now. Heading is at center H1 format. Then information as specified here. Now type. This is for your information. And type center. Sorry. Disk type square and third is center. So data will be displayed either in this format or square or circle. Just see this first one is a default. Default it is a disk. Then for next one is square, disk and circle. That is your format list. Now the third is description list. It is a list and description list. This third type of list is distribution list. Description list. Now heading is same. I want that center. P tag is used to display the message. Message is DL. Sorry, DI. Tag is defined. Define description list. DT that tag term provider term and DD description as an item term. Just see here, I am specifying this DL, that is your description list. First definition DT, D, and information, and if you run it accordingly, you will get output. Just see the output. Description list. Description Just see, it is like this. You will get output descriptive list. So everything I tried to explain in short. Okay. So अटल इसका पूरा कोड दिया तो है sorted. This is sorted list code. Unsorted. Okay. You want to take a pick complete code. Okay. Now, anyone have any doubt in this program? I tried to explain in less time so that we can able to perform it.
अरे घ्यायचं की नाही बाबा आधी मला तू करतोय बाबा, ठीक आहे.
What happened? You had doubt asked me. Anyone you had doubt ask me fast. This code is clear. Sorted list. Code is understood. Can you able to try now? Can you able to perform it? Yes. So I will start with one code. You perform it and show me output. I will start with image. Okay. So first image. That is image. Yes. Very simple. And anyone you can ask if you had doubt. Now see, for this program, they may ask what is which tag you are using, what is SRC, then what is your you want to change the height of the you want to change the height of the image. How you will do? Like this type of question can be asked. So you should know each and everything. What is ALT, ALT alternative? If it is not there, what will happen? So be ready for this. Now perform this practical fast, and if it is over, inform me. hardly 5 minutes it will take. If it is over, just inform me. How many students are performing? Give the answer in chat box. Everything. What happened? I should explain again. Except explain. Okay. Here, you are concentrating. That is good. So now, when a program is in front of you, now try program is in front of you. So now try it on your screen. I should explain again. Okay, we will try to keep up with you, madam. Try to keep. Syntax is clear of the simple program image. This program is over. Just inform me. Here you may not have these images. You can take any image which is available on your screen. I don't have any problem. Okay. Path also you have to give properly. In my screen, in my computer, it is on C colon. So I give like this. In your screen, your computer, it may be C colon, D colon, E colon. So give the path and complete name, full name properly. Then only it will work. You have to perform practical. This program is over. Take its peak. I can now start new one. I will explain you the questions which can be asked in your exam. And you have to write in make a notebook, and in a notebook you have to write it. That is very important. Questions which I am specifying that you have to write and give me next time. And I will make a separate email ID. Then you have to pass that all questions in that email ID. I will provide today only the email ID, complete the question and write, send it to me. That is very important for your exam. And question will be asked from that only. You, 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 yes, I will give you today itself. Email ID. This is over. Continue further. Output. Anyone got output? Answer me. See, the images may be different. I don't have any problem. Anyone got output? I should explain again. I will start next one. No one specified output. Email may not be available with you. You can try this. Again, you should have that images. Then only it will work. Do one thing. Take down this code and later on these images should be available with you. Computer, phone, work space. Take down this program only. In Viva, question may be asked on you on this practical. Take down the pic over. Then other practical we can you can able to perform. First one is normal list. That is a list, unsorted list. Now this practical you can able to perform. Perform it fast on your screen. I can if your program is over, inform me. I will see your output. Yeah, yeah. Anyone got output? Animal what output? You are performing or no? Students, you are performing or no? Inform me, otherwise I will start next practical. Then, very good. One student got. What is your name? Pratik. Who has completed? Only Pratik have completed. Who else? Very good. Niti. Very good. Understood now properly. Continue next. give next program to you. Okay. Next one is your sorted list. Sorted list. Go fast. This program is so Over. This much is over. Only two students are performing. If it is over, inform me. Okay, continue. Completed. It's full. Completed. Question may be asked types or attributes for sorted list are if over a inform me. Actually, all students have to perform all practical. If you over inform me, what output? Homage is still remaining. Do fast. This is over. This program is over. Sorted list. Continue further. Sorted list is over. Okay, good. Very good. Now it is you might have understood it in the proper way. Correct? Sorted, unsorted. One is remaining. Okay, continue further. Start a new phone program. Okay, continue. So now I will say a list Next one is here description list. Perform it first. Description list.
तो इसमें सी टाइप नहीं है ना, ये चार्ज
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? What do you want? Do it fast. Over. Typing is over. This program is over. No. Okay. I want to start next one. Come, do it fast. Completed. Inform me. Start new one. Home page is still remaining. Do it fast. Continue next program. Start next one. This is your formatting program. Continue. Do it fast. Complete this program fast. Completed. How many students are doing? Inform me fast. Otherwise, I will start for the practical number two. Continue with practical number two. Complete, madam. Continue. This program is over. This program's output you got. Everyone is getting output. Okay, continue then. Last one is remaining. Continue. Next one is your home page. Home page. Home page. Just navigate how to go from one page to other. This practical I took, that is a home page I used. Very fast. Here, your practical you may use in your project. So, do practical properly here itself. You can make your website also in your project. This is also over. completed. Continue further. Start practical number 2. Can I start practical number 2? This is home page. Clear now? 9. Output is clear. Output is clear. Okay. I will start practical number 2. Yes, I know PRN. Start PRN. Once you are PRN numbers, but I will start practical number 2 also parallelly. Okay. One question I can able to perform today from practical number 2. Here, multimedia. From multimedia, one second. Questions I have to give you. Here, these questions are there, and you have to write right, and you have to send me on my email ID. I will give you email ID. Okay, and all practicals questions you have to write and send to me. Take. I will explain experiment number two. Taken assignment number one, practical one. Over. So now, simple practical. I will say that is your audio, multimedia audio video. Okay. Just see here we can add audio or video or both in your web page. Now, if I want to add it, how we can do it? Just see if it is a video, video, you have to write word controls compulsory. If you are not writing, then it will not work. Okay, so uh, I want to display or add video. So I can specify height and width of the video control and I have a source. I have to specify the file name that is of MP4 or OGG. Okay, these are the formats. Type is type is either OGG or MP4. Okay, so one video I want to add. So syntax is tag is source src equal to the path type equal to double quotation video file. Now we can add similarly we can add audio. Very simple. Again, we have to specify the word controls. So you have to use tag audio audio controls or video controls or audio controls and tag is over and then next one is you have to specify in a tag source src equal to c colon path and file type. And if it is not available, files are not available, then you will get a message. Now next one is very important thing. What I did here, I am using here important part that is navigation. I want to navigate from one page to other. Okay, navigation. So see when in I am in video file or audio file, then I want previous file and next file. Correct. So previous file name I have to specify in anchor tag. So tag in tag a href equal to the file name which I want to include previous as a previous file. And next one is and tag href equal to the file which I want to add later on. Okay. So previous file next week I had to choose that. I had to navigation. So we will run that program and you can understand it in better way how it work. Practical number two, home page. It is a home page. Create a static web page to navigate across multiple pages. Okay. So, home page. Now, there are two navigation buttons, previous and next. If I say next, it will go to next page. If I say next, it will go to next page. Next, next page. Right now, I want to explain multimedia. So, here video is added, multimedia video is added. This I explain in practical lecture also, and audio. So we can add audio, video. Okay. Now, if I say next, it will go to next page. If I want to go to previous page, I can go to previous page. Right now I am explaining about next. So it will go next. And next is in my home page. So it will go to home page. Now if I say previous, it will go to previous page, previous, 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 and home page. Okay, this way we can go from one page to other page. Clear this? Take a pic of practical number two, one question and home page also. You have to perform it tomorrow because tomorrow also we have practical. Okay. Now see here images may not be available with you, but try to download and uh, audio video images and then in next practical perform it. Okay. Type mp4 file or mp6 mp4 only I think one word. Okay, take down this and next one is home page program. So that if you get a time, you can perform home page at home. You can do practical number two, home page. Here, take a pic. You have to perform tomorrow in lab. Navigation is clear to all. Navigation is clear. Any problem? Anyone have any problem? Ask me.